Can you solve this JEE advanced level integration question? Pause the video and try it in 3, 2, 1 and comment down the answer. So let's begin. So we have an interesting question. Sec square x upon sec x plus 10x to the power 9 by 2. So let's use supposition method for it. Let's suppose sec x plus 10x to be a, that is sec x plus 10x is equal to a. Now let's differentiate. We can get the differentiation of sec x is sec x 10x, and the differentiation of 10x is sec square x, and we'll have dt, likewise dx, likewise the integration of dA will be dA. Now what we can do is sec x plus 10, we can take sec x common, sec x plus 10x dx is equal to dA. Finally, what is sec x plus 10x? So we have assumed that sec x plus 10x is a, so assume it to be a, we can transport to the other side and we will get sec x dx equal to dA by a. So we have done one of the first initial parts. Now for the other part, let's use, so let me explain. So we have sec x dx, sec x dx. So one of the sec x is completed. Now let's find for the next sec x, because we have two sec x here. So let's use the reciprocal. 1 by a is equal to 1 by sec x plus 10x. Now let's multiply this by sec x minus 10x on both numerator and denominator. Sec x minus 10x upon sec x minus 10x. Now the numerator will be sec x minus 10x and the denominator will be sec square x minus 10 square x, and we know that formula that sec square x minus 10 square x is equal to 1. So finally we will get 1 by a is equal to sec x minus 10x, and now we have to find only the value of sec x. So let's put the value of 10x from the equation. So 10x equals to a minus sec x, and if we put a minus sec x here, we'll get 1 by equals to sec x minus a. Again we'll get plus sec x, because we have a minus sign here and it will convert its sign. So finally we'll get 2 sec x equals to 1 by a plus a. And now we have the all necessary ingredients to solve this question. So let's begin solution. So integration of sec x, for one of the sec x we can write let's write 1 by 2 here. So for one of the sec x we can write 1 by 2 1 by a plus a. Okay, so we are done with one of the sec x. And for the other sec x dx, for other sec x dx we'll write dA by a. Okay, so dA by a and upon, so this is sec x plus 10x to the power 9 by 2 is kept in downward. So let's bring it up and make the sign of the exponent to be negative. So sec x plus 10x is equal to a, so a to the power minus 9 by 2. So now it's simple, 1 by 2. So first let's multiply it by a. So 1 by a into a will be 1, so integration of 1 by a square, and we will cancel a, so we'll get 1 into a to the power minus 9 by 2 into dA. Okay, so let's continue from the other side. Okay, so when we multiplied 1 into a minus 9 by 2, we will get a minus 9 by 2, and if you multiply 1 by a square with minus 9 by 2, we will just subtract the exponent, which is minus 9 by 2 minus 2 to the 4 minus 4, that is minus 13 by 2, plus a to the power minus 13 by 2. Okay, so dA. Now we will use formula of integration, that is dA, integration of a to the power n equals to a to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So using that we can write 1 by 2 a to the power minus 9 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 9 by 2 plus 1. Similarly, plus a to the power minus 13 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 13 by 2 plus 1, and the constant will be written outside. So minus 9 by 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 2 minus 7 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2, 2 will come to the upside, so we'll get 1 by minus 2 by 7 a to the power minus 7 by 2. Similarly for the other one, we will write here 2 on the 2 minus 11 by 2, so minus 2 by 11. And finally a to the power minus 11 by 2 plus c. Am I right? Okay, yes, am I right? So let's multiply it by 2. So finally multiplying by 2, we can cancel out the numerators 2, and we will get minus a to the power minus 7 by 2 upon 7 minus a by 11 to the power minus 11 by 2 plus c. And we can just substitute the value of a, which is sec x plus 10x, so minus sec x plus 10x to the power minus 7 by 2 upon 7 minus sec x plus 10x to the power minus 11 by 2 upon 11 plus the constant c. And hence this is the answer. I hope you liked it. This question is quite difficult. You have to watch this video quite a couple of times, 2 to 3 times, and you will finally understand the answer. So thank you.